Everyone, I'm gonna have my breakfast today. Foxy, breakfast. Porridge for breakfast, and I'll leave some for Foxy because he loves porridge. Oh, nom nom. So now I'm gonna feed him. Oh, not yet. Hey. Oh no. Foxy's eating porridge. He's hungry, hungry.
Tonight at 7:30,
It's very noisy.
Sounds like you.
No, darling.
and later, it's 8 out of 10 Cat Does Countdown.
Oh,
It's not worth it.
I can read your future with band 12. So it says you're going to get married or Bobby.
oh, Foxy can eat less than in a minute. Don't stop comparing on me.
Comprehensive car insurance. You can choose to save on your premium by simply increasing your basic excess. Search Allianz Car Insurance to get your quote today.
More, Foxy, more. Oh no, I want some more.
Families are suffering right now. They need basic shelter. They need food.
We nearly finished the one bowl, darling.
Don't wait, because families are scared. Your help is needed now. Please
Yum, yum, yum. A porridge
mothers and children.
boy.
662-959.
Porridge with honey.
Now to get whatever you can.
Wow.
Standard plates on some cars can look substandard. Improve the look with a better fitting plate. With more sizes now available to suit more cars. Which would you choose? Visit myplates.com.au.
Twittering. What? Why are you cranky? He doesn't like the camera. You're a star now. You're a star. Hey? Yes. Hey? Yes, you are. Yes. Yes. Foxy the superstar. Yay. Foxy the superstar. Foxy boy, let's go to the toilet. 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 Come on. Let's go to the toilet. Toilet. Because you're busting. I know you're busting. Where's the toilet? Come on. Come on. Open the door for you. Good morning. Yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Yeah. Oh, feeling better? Hi? Feeling better, Bobby? Yes? Feeling better? Make a joke with the drunk than the person that just wake up. You just need to make a joke, see, Squinky? You just need to make a joke with a drunk person than the
What'd you wake me for? I was dead asleep, Daddy.
than the human or what did you do?
What happened?
Hoy?
What happened? You don't like waking up early in the morning.
Good morning, Boxy.
Little shit.
You cranky?
You're cranky in the morning.
Yeah, because
Don't
I'm
wake
still
me up.
tired.
He
You
was
wake me
deep
up.
sleep. He was deep sleep.
I went to the party last night. It's a deep sleep, Bobby. Twilly, come on. Let's go to the trolley.
Cuddle. You like it? Really? Is that what you want? Really? What? Oh, you little suck.
Little chloral crawler.
Yeah, little crawler, huh? You love daddy too? Do you? Daddy bother.
Let's go to bed. Foxy. 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 Let's go to bed. Here's Abby. Hoi. Let's go to bed. Hoi. Let's go to bed. Oi. Come on. You're gonna fall. You're in the edge of the... Look at the leg. My goodness. This is like...
The days will get longer.
It's like acting like he's dead, doesn't he? Hui. Foxy. 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 Let's going to bed. Hui. Hui. Fox. Darling, is he okay? Foxy, you're snoring. Good morning. Hey, you're snoring. Hey, ang biro sa lasing, wag sa bagong gising. He's in a playing mode. Playtime. Playtime. Ouch, my legs. What? Playing time, playing mode. Yes, you play.
What's these legs? What's these legs? Yeah. What is that?
Happy Saturday! Yay! Good boy. Yes. Yes, you're not Baba. You're not a Baga. Hui! Why is Phoenix in the bed? Scrolling. Are you a little crawler? Are you a little crawler?
Really? What's this? What's this little knuckle? Huh? What's this little knuckle? Spoiled little brat. Yes, I know. I can see you crawling. I can see you crawling with your little feet. Yes. I got you. 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 I got you.
Hey. Hey. In the phone. Hoi. What's wrong?